Yamampani John Dramani Mahama na kasa se oman Ghana gunhihye so se beya ebibramma mu nyina no yebeya manya yebedi ye ho central adwuma bibia ebeya kama esi akwan bia ma wonmo akwan mu na fe so de obi party bia nso so no obenya ye twitwitwi bia enim.
Omampanyin John Dramani Mahama ene di atudwa wo chirimu dia oman Ghana nhye egwakom a enchekraye na ebeye bibiriman a edikan a International Fund for Public Interest Media yenso ebitimi sika akwakotomo bie we ene omampanyin echirimu dia ne nyina ka oman yi eni sode hunu ede hwese ebitimi ede akon etia ensem omanfo de betudwa enye nokre no eho.
In addition, I'm proud to declare that Ghana will become the first African country to make a financial contribution to the International Fund for Public Interest Media. This gesture reflects our conviction that independent journalism and reliable information are indispensable public goods. The time has come for all of us to translate our shared ideals into tangible action, to demonstrate genuine commitment to supporting public interest media and safeguarding the integrity of information. Together, we must work to win the global war against misinformation and disinformation.
We no mampanyin sta ne tudwa se nei artificial intelligence abase so ewo kwan a eno so etumi eboa ema ensem anya no kritimi komonten so pa ne senti ene oman Ghana sinkete pa se yenyina ebetoato adwene ne ahwe ekwan asa ne mai ebetumi esia no kwan na yede beye adepapa ne mum no enya adebone ebetumi abo man yi ene yede ba beye.
Likewise, the dawn of artificial intelligence has transformed the information landscape. While AI offers immense opportunities for innovation, it also amplifies the risk of misinformation and economic disruption. Deep fakes, synthetic media, and algorithmic manipulation are reshaping what our societies perceive to be the truth. Our collective task must therefore be to harness AI responsibly, to promote transparency, and to ensure that technological progress strengthens rather than undermines public trust.